Right, today's job. Storm damage. So we'll get these cleaned up, rebuild these pillars. But I'm going to do them like that. I've done them ones 2 years ago, thickening them out. Rather than being just a 9-inch wall, we made them 1.5 thicker. Them ones along there. So that's what we'll do here. Do a couple of trenches down there. Get a bit of concrete in. Clean it up. Dug that out. Thicken the wall out. The wall's going to be like that now. Thick like that. And there's the additional concrete in there. Job's a good one. There's no across concrete. Cut these off so we're bonded in. We're going to see that later on. We'll get digging here now. Right, that's the original concrete. We're going to pour some more concrete in, bring it up to ground level there, just thicken that out. Probably should lay blocks, but we'll mix concrete instead. Same on there. Right. Ready for tomorrow. We're going to pick some bricks up now. We're down to the tip. Get rid of all that. Not even much there. Not the concrete up rather than using the existing. Just thicken it out. And I'm gonna cut that half out there. Cut the half out on the stretcher so the next brick bonds in. Back on the loading hook. Ready for tomorrow. And we have clamps. Yeah, stuff great today. Absolutely bouncing down. It mentioned the bricks there and the fire there. We'll be back in the morning, ready to go. Put a tie in there. So one in there. We'll get that up.
Big sleep sale. Save almost 50% on new double 3,000. Minimum spend required. 1 free
Right, 2-course repair trailer. Getting there. I've put it to build. Got one and put an edge through there. Should be good. Right. Building that pillar. rather than walling off that existing. So that existing one's out of plumb slightly. But one being asked to do off the insurance, so I'm building that one. And I'm just going to put the profiling wall, that one in, off the line of that. Put that one and building something, building a plumb. We're getting there. Right. Profiles up on the line on the other side. Better. Getting on a little bit easier. Deer number one. Come back Monday. But there's a storm thing in, so we're just trying to wrap it up. But there's only so much it can do. Right. Just trying to show you which way I put the last brick in. Didn't really put out on the top, it's all on the bottom like a wedge shape. There. If you check me over video, gauge where the top's full and the bottom's not. Again, so it's like a wedge. See, it's like a wedge shape. And I'll try and do this one-handed. I hope you can see. Drop that in like that. One-handed. It's not the best way to do it, but I'm just trying to show you for the camera. I've got to try left-handed there, mind before. And yeah, we'll get my wedge in. Right, we're all tidied up. Like I say, we'll come back next week, put them fence panels in. Jobs are good. Tidy side, happy side. Got a little bit of timber on the van. Got a few fence posts made, and this job's finished. Little fence panels, I should say. On there, like that. Jobs are good, and just like them over there. There's the panel, the brickwork's dried alright, what was done last week. That's set up. of a rail and a board. There's a 30 mil there to match them ones. And then that gives us where to put that post in. The probably still on it. All the tools, just to do a few fence panels you need. And timbers fixed. Just get these boards on with a nail gun. The job's done. Space them out. So now roughly perfectionist.
Standard, see? Standard.
And we're just using a board on the bricks. Just to leave a gap so they're not sitting on the brickwork. We'll get them on so we're now fitting, and we'll fit in the extra nail in the next one. Double nailing. Nails. How thin that is. Really thin. That's why we're screwing on for on the nail gun. We're going to risk it splitting. If it gets any thinner, there'll be no wood left. Right, that's our repair job finished. Pillars done. Brick panels in. Just in case anybody's wondering, we're not allowed to touch underneath. That was the existing. And the insurance companies only tell us to go from there. So, just in case there's any querying about below the insurance job, and we're only allowed to do that unless the customer wanted to get us back to repoint out, which we'll gladly do. But other than that, that's the way it is.